Welcome to my viewers. In this video, I am going to explain how to open HP 1020 printer, HP 1020 printer, or how to disassemble HP 1020 printer. So first, turn this back side. There are 3 screws, 1, 2, 3. First you should open 1 and 2 screws, 1 and 2 screws, right? So this screw as well as this screw, right? First I am going to remove this screw, right? Then open this screw. Okay, right? So first we have to take out this cover. See how to do this. See, simply lift this up. Simply lift this up. Then take this one minus screwdriver. Then simply, lift, and see here there is a small notch. Just bring back, right? Okay. So now the door will come out. This door will come out, right? Okay. So this is the formatter board. Next, I am going to open this cover, right? See, just leave this as well as see here. Yeah. So here there is one notch. You have to just pull back, right? Right? Then just to turn this. Then keep like this. Yeah. Then take out this cover also. Right? This is the power board. Right? This is the power board. Next, what you have to do? So only one more screw is there. You have to remove this screw. See? After removing, there are 3 screws. I have removed it. Then I am keeping here. Then see, just lift up. Here also lift up, right? Then this cover will come. Then take this cover, right? Then front side. See here. Open this. Just you remove this. Just if you take out, it will come. Then place it back once again in this same place. Otherwise, it will get disappear. So you have to place it back. Then there are two screws. One is here, another one is here. Another one is here. So you have to remove these 2 screws. Totally 5 screws. Previously you did open 3 screws. Now 2 screws. Totally 5 screws. Then take out. Okay. This is top cover. Right? Okay. Right? So all covers we did open. Okay. This is called a fuser assembly unit. Here the essential sensors are here. See, this is paper sensor. This is cartridge sensor. This is paper sensor. Right? Now I am going to open this front cover. See how to open? Simply take this minus. Right, that's all. Okay. Okay. So this is the way to open the front cover. This is the way to open the front cover, right? Okay, that's all. So we did open completely, disassemble or open the printer. We did completely disassemble and open the. This is the front side. This is the formatter board side. This is the power board side. This is the sensor side. This is the sensor side. Okay. So in further, if you want to open in them based on the requirement, if you want to replace the Teflon, you have to open this user review. If there is any paper jam problem, you have to mend this sensor. You have to mend this sensor area, right? This is the way to disassemble the 1020 printer. The same way you have to assemble. The same way you have to assemble. This is very simple way to disassemble or open the 1020 printer. So if you like my video, put like, subscribe my channel, because every day I am releasing new video regarding printer service, laptop service and desktop service. Also I have released more videos regarding all cartridges refilling, laser and ink cartridges. So if you have any new problem, please specify in comment. Seeing that comment, I can release new video that may be helpful to your friends and yourself. If you continuously watching my channel or continuously if you watch all my videos, you can become a service engineer. That may be helpful for you. It will make you to become a service engineer. You can make money also, or professional. You can become a professional service engineer. Professional service engineer. Thank you. We'll see in the next session, next video with the new solution and problem. Have a nice day. Welcome.